Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to switch off your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you recently just started up your Samsung S25 Ultra and you want to know how to switch it off, then let me show you how to do this. So to switch off your Samsung S25 Ultra, you'll need to locate your volume down button and the standby button, which is right here on the side. Go ahead and press both of them together and long press it until your screen changes to this. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose power off, restart, or emergency call. So if you want to power it off, go ahead and tap on power off and then power off again. This will now power off your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to power off your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.